Hi children, now let us start multiplication of fraction. Here you are going to be introduced to a new word of. Fraction as an operator of in the sense multiplication. To have a better understanding, let us do one example. Here 1 by 2 of 10. It's easy to answer me. If you have scored 10 marks in a class test, if I ask you what is half of 10, half of 10, your answers will be easier. You will just easily say it's 5. You got this answer by the multiplication of half and 10. This of stands for into, multiplication in maths. This is very simple. But when it comes for 6 by 7 of 10, 6 by 7 of 10, it may be a little bit tricky to answer it as you did for half of 10. So we should have some system to answer such questions. The thing is here, our of is replaced by multiplication symbol. 1 by 2 into 10. Just now we learned how to multiply a fraction with a whole number. We will just multiply the numerator with that whole number and the denominator will be the same. So you get 10 by 2. If you are not comfortable in multiplying like that, you can have this denominator as 1 because every whole number can be written as a fraction with denominator 1. Then you can multiply 1 into 10, 10, 2 ones are 2, 10 by 2. If I cancel these two into table, I will get 5 by 1. Is it clear, my dear children? So the answer is 5 by 1, which is nothing but 5. Now the next example is find 3 by 4 of 36. This 36 is nothing but, it can be number of students in a class or the amount you have in your pocket or some quantity of rice. It can be anything. This 3 by 4 is a fraction. How to find 3/4 of 36? Just now we learned of stands for multiplication. So I can write 3 by 4 as it is. of is replaced by multiplication symbol and 36 as it is. Then last time I told you to multiply the numerator and the whole number, but now I have not done it. What have I done it? I have cancelled this 4 numerator and this denominator and this numerator. You can cancel in crosswise, not crosswise, one in numerator and one in denominator. You should not cancel this 4 and some denominator here. You should not do it. Is it clear? You should learn to cancel. You should learn cancellation also. 1 4 is 4, 9 4s are 36. So we get 3 by 1, 9 by 1. So I got 3 by 1 into 9 by 1 as 3 9s are 27. Am I clear, my dear children? I didn't multiply here. Instead, I cancel the numbers, one from numerator and one from denominator. Can I do the same if I have plus symbol here? This is the common error you people used to do. So be careful with the symbol. Here I have multiplication. Only if there is multiplication symbol, you can cancel it. Not with addition symbol. There we have to go in for cross multiplication method that we learnt in previous session. Is it clear, my dear children? Cancellation can be done when we have multiplication symbol. Okay, my dear children, this is another way. Instead of, if you have option to cancel it, only then you can cancel it. If I have the number 7 here, is 36 is divisible by 7? No. Then I cannot cancel it. I have to multiply and go in for the as usual method. So the answer for this is 27. Now let us get into the next question. Here, multiply and express as a mixed fraction. We are going to multiply with improper fraction and finally I am going to write the answer in mixed fraction, and this is a mixed fraction. Here you should be very careful, my dear children. Most of the students will multiply this 4 and 6. Can you do this? This is the whole part of a improper fraction. This is a whole part of a mixed fraction. This should not be multiplied with this 4. This 6 1 by 3 is one full number. Don't split it off. Okay. So what should I do with this mixed fraction now? First, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Convert it into improper fraction. So I will have 4 as it is. I will convert this 6 1 by 3 as improper fraction. How to convert it? I have to multiply these two. 6 3s are 18. Then I have to add with this one. 18 plus 1, 19 by 3. Then it is very similar as we did in previous problem. Okay, my dear children? I cannot cancel it. Here the answer is wrong. So 4 9s are 36. 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 76 by 3 is your correct answer. Is it clear, my dear children? Now let us look into another one more problem from your book. This is 7th question in your book. Here you have A question and B question. In A subdivision, you have 2 more subdivision again. So half of 2 3 by 4 is first question. Then again half of 4 2 by 9 is second question. This is how you should understand this question. Don't get confused with this type of question in your textbook. Okay. In B question, again you have 2 questions. You have to find 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6. That is one problem. Again 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. That is second subdivision. Is it clear how to interpret this question? In your book, you have 3 questions of this model with question number A subdivision and another subdivisions 1 and 2. You should know to interpret this question. Now I am going to simplify this B question first subdivision 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6. Now here we had whole number. Here we are going to have a fraction. A fraction multiplied with another fraction. Again it is very simple, but you should be very careful with this mixed fraction. Is it clear? 5 by 8 written as it is. Of is replaced by into sign. I have to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction by 3 into 6, 18. 18 plus 5, 23 by 6. Is it clear, my dear children? Now, is it possible for me to cancel any numbers? Is 5 divisible by 8? No. Is 23 divisible by 8? No. Similarly, 6 and 5. Can I cancel these two or these two? No. So, the only way for me is to multiply both the numerators and multiply the denominators. You have to multiply 23 into 5. You will get 115. 6 8s are 48. The best way to do multiplication in fraction is first go in for cancellation. If cancellation is not possible, then do the multiplication with numerator and numerator and denominator and denominator. Is it clear, my dear children? Now let us have a look over a problem from your book. Here one more thing I have forgotten to say you. You have to convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. You have to use this long division method as usual. 115 will be inside and that is the dividend, and 48 is going to be the divisor. You know to do long division. Quotient will be written as a whole part. Remainder will be written as numerator, and denominator is nothing but the same divisor. Is it clear, my dear children? Here the next question for you is, Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bag that contained 5 liters of water. This water bag contained how much of water? 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. She consumed 2/5 of water. Now did you get the answer? How many liters of water did Vidya drink? No, that's what we are going to find now. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? What fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So I have to answer 2 questions. Let us start with the first one. Vidya has drank 2 by 5. 2/5. How to read this fraction? 2/5 of 5 liter. This is not 51. 5 liter. L. Small l. 2/5 of 5 liter. Is it clear? So you know this of is nothing but into. So you will have 2 by 5 into 5. So what is the thing I should do now? You should cancel. 1 5 is 5. 1 5 is 5. This is in denominator and this is in numerator. That's why I am cancelling. I cannot cancel numerator and numerator and denominator and denominator. It is not division. Okay. So I get only 2. So she drank 2 liters of water. 2/5 of 5 is nothing but 2 liters of water. Is it clear, my dear children? Now the next question is, what fraction of water did Pratap drink? Vidya drank 2 liters. So what is the remaining quantity of water? Very good. From 5 I have to subtract 2. I got 3 liters of water. So Pratap drank 3 liters of water. But they asked me how many liters of water did Pratap drink? No, my question is, what fraction? I have to mention this 3 liters of water in terms of fraction with respect to that bottle, container. What fraction of water did Pratap drink? How to write this 3 liter out of 5 liter as fraction? In this sentence itself you should have guessed your answer. What is the fraction now? Very good. Fraction of total quantity of water Pratap drank is equal to 3 by 5. You should not have did here. This is from the question. Fraction of the total quantity of water Pratap drank is equal to 3 by 5. Is it clear, my dear children? It is 3 by 5 liters of water. 3 by 5 liters. You should not mention that fraction as liters. Be clear, this is a fraction. You should not say 3 by 5 liters. When I calculate liters, it should be liters. This 3 by 5 is 3 by 5 of 5 liters he drank. Is it clear? There is a difference between 3 by 5 and this 3 liters. Hope it is clear, my dear children. Now it's your turn to try few problems. Here 7 into 3 by 5. What's the answer? Come on, just within 2 to 3 counts you can give me the answer immediately. Very simple questions for you to practice now on this mode itself. 7 into 3 by 5. Got the answer? Take down in your rough note or rough paper. Now 4 into 1 by 3. What is the answer? 4 into 1 by 3. Very simple. Just by looking at it you can give the answer. 2 into 6 by 7. Got it? 5 into 2 by 9. Only up to 4 questions. Now let us see what is the solution. Are you ready to see the solution? Shall we? Yes. Here are the solution. 7 into 3 by 5. Hope you would have got the answer as 21 by 5. It is an improper fraction. So I should write it in the form of mixed fraction. You have to do rough calculation like this, my dear children. That's why I am showing this slide. This is how you will do it in your classwork note. I have not mentioned any writing symbol in today's video. It means you are going to work out your classwork note on your own systematically with proper exercise number and date. Is it clear, my dear children? Today just have a look over the video and do the workings on your own. The homework for you is exercise 2.2, 1, 2 and 4th question. All these 3 questions will have diagrams in it. So you can do all these 4 questions in your book itself. These are all like 1 mark questions. No need to work out in your classwork note. The thing that you have to work out and practice well in your classwork note are 3, 6 and 7. You may have many subdivisions in all these 3 questions, 3, 6 and 7. You have to work out these things in your classwork note, and 1, 2 and 4 in book itself, coloring and matching. Only these things are there in 1, 2 and 4, very simple questions. Hope you will be able to complete this exercise. Let us meet again in next session, my dear children. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.